Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best mold cleaner foam on the market, the RMR-86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. If you're dealing with stubborn black mold or mildew stains that just won't budge, this product promises to be a game changer. It's designed to tackle the toughest stains without requiring hours of scrubbing. The RMR-86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover works quickly and effectively. All you need to do is spray the foam directly onto the affected area, and within moments, you'll notice the stains begin to dissolve right before your eyes. Whether it's on your shower tiles, bathroom walls, or other mold-prone areas in your home, this product is versatile enough to work on multiple surfaces, including fiberglass, porcelain, and even granite. This mold cleaner is perfect for anyone looking to save time and energy. There's no need for hard scrubbing or repeated applications. Just spray, wait a few moments, and wipe away, revealing clean surfaces with no visible stains left behind. It's also safe to use on both indoor and outdoor areas like decks, concrete floors, and vinyl siding, making it a truly multi-purpose solution. One of the standout features of RMR-86 is its fast-acting formula. Unlike traditional cleaners that may require several applications to get results, RMR-86 begins working immediately to remove deep-set stains. This instant action saves you time and makes cleaning a breeze, even on the most challenging areas like grout lines and corners where mold and mildew tend to hide. The formula is made in the USA by experts in mold remediation, ensuring a high-quality product that delivers exceptional results. It's perfect for homes, offices, or businesses looking to combat mold growth quickly. However, for the best results, it's recommended to use the cleaner in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate protective gear, as the cleaner is strong and concentrated. In addition to being effective, the RMR-86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is also a great value for money. You'll get the power you need to keep your home looking fresh without breaking the bank. For those dealing with chronic mold issues, it's an investment worth considering. So, if you're tired of battling mold and mildew with endless scrubbing and ineffective products, give the RMR-86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover a try. Its powerful foam, no-scrub formula, and quick results make it the best choice for anyone needing a reliable and fast solution to mold problems. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.